In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a daily task on Todoist. Whether you're a seasoned pro at managing your to-dos or just starting out with Todoist, setting up daily tasks is a fundamental skill that can help you stay organized and productive. Let's dive right into this simple yet effective process. First things first, you need to log into your Todoist account. If you're not already logged in, simply navigate to the Todoist login page. Here you'll see the standard login interface. It's nothing out of the ordinary, but it's your gateway to organizing your life better. You can find the link to Todoist's login page easily through a quick search or by following the links provided in guides like this. Upon reaching the login page, your next step is to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email address associated with your Todoist account. This might seem like a minor step, but it's crucial for accessing your personalized tasks and projects. After you've entered your email, the next step is to enter your password. Type it carefully and then click on the login button. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be taken straight to your Todoist dashboard. This is where your productivity journey begins each day, allowing you to oversee all your tasks and projects. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Today view in Todoist. The Today view shows all tasks that are due today, giving you a focused overview of your day's priorities. It's specifically designed to help you concentrate on what's urgent and important, cutting through the noise of less pressing tasks. Next step, let's add a task. In the Today view, you'll see an Add Task button. Clicking on this button opens up a field where you can type in the name of your task. This is where you get specific about what you want to achieve today. It could be anything from write a blog post to call the dentist. Whatever it is, naming your task clearly will keep you focused. Type in your task name. Be sure to make it as descriptive and action-oriented as possible. This isn't just about listing things, it's about setting clear, attainable goals for your day. For instance, instead of writing emails, write respond to client emails by noon. This extra detail can significantly boost your productivity by making your goals more tangible. After you've entered your task name, go ahead and click on Add Task once again, but this time it's the button to actually submit your task into the Today view. Congratulations, you've just added a new task to your day. This simple act can feel incredibly satisfying as it symbolizes your commitment to accomplishing something important. There you have it, a simple and straightforward way to add a daily task in Todoist. Remember, the key to productivity isn't just about listing tasks, it's about completing them. By setting clear, achievable goals each day, you'll build momentum and a sense of accomplishment that propels you forward. A few extra tips before we wrap up. Make sure to review your Today view first thing in the morning or even the night before. Planning ahead can give you a clear direction for your day, helping you to tackle tasks more efficiently. Also, don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Checking off tasks as you complete them can provide a significant boost to your motivation. Lastly, Todoist offers a variety of features like priority levels, labels, and due dates, which you can explore to further enhance your task management. Start simple, but don't be afraid to experiment with these features as you become more comfortable with the platform. And that's it. You're now ready to make daily tasks on Todoist, and more importantly, you're equipped to tackle them with confidence and clarity. Remember, the goal isn't just to be busy, the goal is to be productive. With Todoist and a little bit of planning, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Stay organized, and here's to a productive day ahead.